Noom Coach Pricing explained what you get for your money. Noom has become one of the most popular weight loss apps in the world, but what exactly are you paying for when you sign up? Let's take a look at how Noom's pricing really works. Unlike most fitness apps, Noom is built around psychology, not just calorie counting. The standard subscription ranges from about per month to for an annual plan, depending on your duration and promotions. Most people get this wrong. They think Noom is just a diet tracker, but it's actually a behavioral change program that teaches you how to make smarter choices through daily lessons, quizzes, and one-on-one coaching. When you subscribe, you're matched with a gold specialist or real human coach who helps personalize your program and keep you accountable. You'll also join a support group led by trained coaches for added motivation. The app tracks your meals, steps, and weight while teaching you to build lasting habits instead of relying on strict diets. So, what do you get for your money? A structured, science-based system that focuses on your mindset just as much as your meals. If you've struggled to stick with other programs, Noom's coaching and psychology-driven approach could be the game changer that finally makes healthy living stick.